everybody, my name is William. I'm from Beijing Language and Culture University. Actually, I'm having my vacation here and I want to show this place because it's so unique. Can you believe it that the pond behind me just 13 years ago used to be a coal mine? No, I'm not kidding. Now I will show you everything and tell you how it happened. Let's go. I finally found evidence that some years ago this place used to be for digging coal. I think I have to take a picture here. Yeah, snapshot. That mining actually lasted for like 1,000 years, guys. That's hard to imagine, right? And this place turned totally green. Fantastic. How everything happened, that's the question. I think it's time to find the manager and talk to him and to get some answers.
之前这里全是废弃矿渣，要说绿色吧，只有眼前这一棵大树。这个树呢是矿工当时无意的栽种的，经过多年的这个煤炭开采，造成了严重的水土流失、植被的破坏，对自然环境吧造成了特别大的伤害。为了更好的、更持续的发展，2006年到2010年，我们史家营乡关闭了全乡域内140座煤矿，在我们史家营地区做这个旅游开发，建设了百日谷景区。经过10多年的打造呢，把我们一个废弃的矿山转变成了一个绿水青山、蓝天的这么一个景区。
How do you feel?
Wow, I feel great. It was so amazing. I'm really thrilled. Mountains are awesome.
以前我们这儿是开始矿区，这一个大瓜崩满，这村子全村都是乌烟瘴气的。这人们都搬出去到城里边买房。自打关闭了煤矿之后，搞起了这个旅游，这人们都逐渐的都回来了，把外边这个游客都吸引到我们这个游区来，给他们创造一个很好的环境。
Every year, more and more tourists come to Bairegu, so it influences the local economy here, the local business. 我刚才一上来，我就觉得有特色，真的就是那个窗户。一个好餐厅，除了菜做的好不好吃，还有风景。
对，我的菜主要是铁锅炖鱼，这鱼是我这儿的一个特色。
啊，这个。
In China, the concept of ecological protection and restoration has taken root. In the past 10 years, a total of 68 million hectares of afforestation has been completed across the country, and the area of planted forests ranks first in the world. China has become the country with the fastest and largest growth in forest resources in the world.
Bairegu is very interesting, but the story behind it is really unbelievable. It used to be a coal mine, but now it's a great resort. Smart and brave people changed the situation. Now people can live healthier lives, happier lives. Guys, I really don't want to leave this place. That's an amazing place. I want to stay here as much as I can.